Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to take this bracket, which is the holder for the fan module controller, and we're going to duplicate it because this car here is an 89 car and it doesn't come with this bracket. So I've taken this bracket off a 93 car and I'm going to duplicate it because I still need it for my own car, and yeah, we're going to see how hard it is to duplicate. I cannot find it anywhere online. I have searched. And yeah, it's a very simple little bracket, but I just cannot find it anywhere online. So I said, right, it's a Sunday, I'm not doing anything, let's just make a duplicate of it. Okay, and this is the little bracket that I need, so I'm just going to take it off now and I'm going to make a copy of it so I have something to base all my measurements off. Okay, so this is the part that I need. I need to make this up. It's a little bracket and it holds the fan controller. That's the fan controller, and then this is the holder that holds it all on. Here I have some CAD design, which is cardboard aided design. So that's the top of it where the controller is going to go. It's going to wrap around the side like that. You have the main body here with another frame on the side, which is going to make it very rigid. And then this is the bit that at the bottom where it all joins up. So flatten it out, and now I'm going to get some 0.8 gauge cold rolled steel, cut it out, bend it up, and see how we get on. And here's the finished product. It's a bit hard to see because I painted it in gloss black. It was meant to be matte black, but it turned out to be gloss black. But yeah, very happy. They both turned out the same. Slight modification just down here that has a little hole that I decided I'd have a slot. Yep, all fits in, so I'm very happy with it. Took a lot of measuring, modifications, all that kind of stuff, but it all worked. And that's class. Right, now time to sit it onto the car. Okay, so I have a little captive nut just there. It makes life really handy, and a little slot, so the slots line up with that, and the captive nut lines up with the little hole there. So now time to install it. Okay, so very happy with that. So it turned out lovely. So there's the captive nut, and the slot lines up with the water bottle, so it's all lovely and rigid, which I'm very happy with. The paint didn't cure right, so that's why it's a bit, my fingerprints have been kept on it, but they will disappear over a few hours. So yeah, delighted with that. So it's lovely and rigid. The problem was, this is the 89 car. It didn't come with this. It just came with like a thermostat straight on the radiator, so it doesn't need any of this fancy controller. The VR6 does come with this controller, so I may as well install it, and I need a bracket, so let's make up a bracket. Couldn't find anywhere online that just sold the bracket because, I don't know, it seems to be like a piece that people just sell with the engine, or just as a piece of, they scrap the cars, they never think of selling it. I couldn't find it anywhere, so made my own. And yeah, very happy with it. Turned out lovely. So now let's install top of this and see how it looks. But first let's join up all the wires. Brilliant. That's that one in, and there should be another little small one for there. So now that paint has fully cured and a little bit of dust has settled in on it, you wouldn't even notice that it's a copy. I even have the little lip here at the front, and with the rusty nuts at the top, it actually does look like it was always there. So I'm absolutely delighted with that. So that's exactly how it's meant to look. And yeah, really happy with it. I know for a lot of people you're like looking at a bracket, but when you make a bracket from literally from scratch and this is your final product, that it actually just looks like it was always there, that's actually really cool. Hey guys, so thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe. Support me at PayPal in the link below. Please do subscribe. It really does help out the channel. You don't believe how much it does help, but it really does help. And if you like these videos and you do want to support me, you can do so at buymeacoffee.com, link in the description below. And as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.